Welcome to your practice session for the ED ending. Say every word out loud with me. First, the T sound, voiceless, one sharp beat, no extra syllable. Listen and repeat. Stopped. Stopped. Say this one with me. Worked. Worked. And the next word. Looked. Looked. Okay, repeat after me. Missed. Missed. Try this one. Washed. Washed. And the last one, laughed. Laughed. Now the D sound, voiced, one soft beat, no extra syllable. Listen and repeat. Played. Played. Say this one with me. Called. Called. Next word, loved. Loved. Repeat after me. Cleaned. Cleaned. Try this one. Opened. Opened. And the last one, answered. Answered. Now the id ending. 2 syllables. Slow down and add the vowel. Listen and repeat. Wanted. Wanted. Say this one with me. Needed. Needed. Next word. Started. Started. Repeat after me. Decided. Decided. Try this one. Waited. Waited. And the last one. Visited. Visited. Now listen for the difference. Same ED spelling, 3 different sounds. Listen and repeat. Worked. Worked. Say this one with me. Played. Played. Next word. Needed. Needed. Repeat after me. Missed. Missed. Try this one. Called. Called. And the last one. Started. Started. Now full sentences. Listen, then repeat. Match my rhythm and land every ending. He stopped, looked, and crossed the street. He stopped, looked, and crossed the street. They played music, and everyone smiled. They played music, and everyone smiled. I waited an hour, and then I decided to leave. I waited an hour, and then I decided to leave. She cleaned the house, cooked lunch, and rested. She cleaned the house, cooked lunch, and rested. Yesterday, I walked to work, answered my emails, and finished early. Yesterday, I walked to work, answered my emails, and finished early. We planned the trip, booked the hotel, and waited for the weekend. We planned the trip, booked the hotel, and waited for the weekend. That is the end of the practice. Keep practicing and land every ending. See you in the next lesson.